Good evening. The Prosperity Partners program has continued to thrive throughout COVID, with our peer-to-peer network gaining more and more members with engagement that's never been more palpable. Business owners and managers supporting each other through challenging impacts of the pandemic. It doesn't get any better. Last year, our members saw 12 Business Bite webinars, each with a timely business topic and a fantastic industry expert as my guest. Our twice monthly virtual Connect Lounge meetings saw discussions that were member-driven deep dives into relevant and timely business issues. As the developer and facilitator of Landscape Ontario's peer network, it's my pleasure to present a particularly special award this year in a new category, Rookie Entrepreneur of the Year. Our winner was selected by the Prosperity Partners Committee. She has been deeply engaged with the Prosperity Partners Network as a project manager for a previous employer. And just as the pandemic started in 2020, our award winner bravely took the plunge and started her own landscape design business. Her dedication to our profession and her steely resolve to succeed has impressed all of her Landscape Ontario peers. I am super proud to present the Prosperity Partners Rookie of the Year Entrepreneur Award to Heather Gerard, owner of My Landscape Artist, based in London, Ontario. Congratulations, Heather.
Our business is about growth and fostering a beautiful environment. My involvement with Landscape Ontario has done both for me. It has helped me progress from a student member to a member of peer-to-peer to becoming an entrepreneur in this amazing profession. Without the guidance and encouragement of this organization, I would not have developed the skills nor courage to do that. So many have helped me along the way, too many to name here. Please know how much I acknowledge and appreciate you and your support. Thanks for naming me Rookie of the Year.